Next slide, please. So these are other sources of your vitamin C or your dietary sources. Example of that is your orange juice. So 3/4 cup, okay? Yung milligrams per serving ng vitamin C niya is 93. Okay? Ang nangyayari po kasi ngayon, yung inflation po natin, nagmamahal ang pagkain, di ba? Hindi po tayo, aminin natin, hindi natin nabibili lahat ng mga food that will help us nourish. Okay? That's why we formulated products as, as an easier requirement for our dietary intake. Okay? Meron po kayong tanong? Inaantok pa po ba kayo kasi malamig sa Baguio? Inaantok pa po ba kayo? Morning! Morning! Okay. Next slide po. Okay. Ano ba ang ginagawa ng vitamin C sa ating